I'm Dr. Chittister. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon here in Draper City, Utah. I'm the owner and co-founder of the Plastics Clinic and Spa and High Point Surgery Center. Patients want shorter downtimes. They want quicker recoveries. They want the same results, and they're willing to pay for it because they know that their time is valuable. And so one of the technologies that I love is the Elixir MD. So we've implemented that in our practice here within the last couple of months. And our patients, first off, love the technology. The photobiomodulation, patients starting this before even having surgery, not only does it have all the effects of reducing bacterial load and the detox mode, but also, really it calms these patients preoperatively, and I've seen that several times now. And then immediately post-op, hands-on with our nurses and our lymphatic specialists, and using the cellular technology to really help with edema and bruising and really rapid recovery. And we're seeing that in our patients. And not only the quick recovery, but also the longer term results. We're seeing better scars. We're seeing all that happening a lot sooner. It's also really drew me to Elixir MD in the beginning was the technology, the photobiomodulation, that is something that is addressing the patient before surgery, right after surgery, and then following surgery to help them with their recovery and their results. So I do a lot of breast and body work, and there's a lot of liposuction. So there's a lot of tendency for swelling and potential bruising. And so I was super intrigued about that. And as I looked into it more and talked to other surgeons who've already been using Elixir MD, it got me really excited. And as we brought the device on and began using it with our patients, it just confirmed what we already knew, and that it really does help with their recovery. Actually, our very first patient that we used the Elixir MD protocol on, she's the one that came back and did another whole set of packages to have more treatments. Swelling-wise, looked like she was 3 or 4 months out, but scar-wise, she looked like she was over a year out. So I've never seen anything like that. That was pretty crazy to see. And patients love it. They literally love using the device. Even after they complete their protocol, they will come back and do it more. That was one of the main things, I think, was finding a company that was wanting to push the envelope forward as well for my patients and for patients around the world. And I think Elixir MD, it's a company that really is trying to push plastic surgery forward and the results that we can get and the recovery and the downtime. And so not just delivering a device that's excellent, but really helping educate people. And so, I think when things align and people have similar vision and goals, things that are running parallel, we can work together synergistically and achieve those for our patients.